Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Marina here and I am going to share with you a slim folio I made. The tutorial for this mini folio is linked down below as well as the PDF cutting guide. This measures 21 by 21 centimeters or 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 of an inch. And it fits perfect the 8 by 8 paper pads. So if you have in your stash 8 by 8 paper pads, just go get them and be creative. For this particular one, I have used the paper pads by Stamperia from the collection Rose Parfum and the background selection. I think in total 20 papers, but I have still a lot of leftovers. On the cover I made a picture frame with an acetate window in where you can place a 10 by 15 centimeters or 4 by 6 picture. This tab is a cutting metal die and it helps to pull out the photo mat easily. On the left section there is a beautiful pocket that holds some cards from the collection which are so pretty and you can definitely use them for journaling. You will find this collection linked down below as always. I love this collection so much, it's quite feminine and shabby chic and it's a folio that for sure it could be a precious gift. So you can see that we have a lot of space to adhere our pictures. On the right section there is a flap that opens like this. On the tutorial you will have the chance to see also the decoration part and how I put together all these papers. Here this flap opens in this way. And this is a pocket page, so this is a pull-out insert. I made a really beautiful collage here. And actually I didn't stick any paper on the back to avoid the bulk. And here is another insert, absolutely amazing backgrounds. So that was the flip through of my new style folio. Please don't forget to subscribe and check out the tutorial down below if you are interested. See you next time guys! Thanks for watching. Bye!